Dan, the major producer.
Hey, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken of Rhymes, a co-founder of Fando Technology Company. Yeah, so on Sunday, that's 22nd of this month, I'll be hosting a huge training for all my Ghanaian students. So if you want to learn much about dollar arbitrage, how you can invest in stock, how you can make money online and withdraw the money through your mobile money, I urge you to join my training on 22nd of this month. So if you want to join my training, you can call on the number on the left side, or you can comment so that I will send you my number so that you can chat me, because the training is on Sunday and the fee is 150 cedis. But after the fee, if you want me to be your mentor for 2 months, that is 300 cedis. For 1 month, that's additional 150 cedis. Yeah, so that's what I've been telling you people, that on the internet it's very hard for you to make it without any assistance, anyone's assistance, without anyone mentoring you. You can't make it, because there's some certain things we YouTubers, we will come here and teach you, but we will not teach you the key things, because when we come here to teach you, we teach you the basics ones so that you have a fair knowledge about it, and you chat us, then we will give you the secret scopes. I've been seeing a lot of people saying that, oh, why are you not doing the live trade? Why are you not doing this then that? So I'm giving the opportunity to join my training so that you know everything that entails. You will know the secrets and everything about the arbitrage, about investing in stock, about affiliate marketing, about drop shipping, and everything is you can withdraw your money through your mobile money. So if only you are serious and you're ready to make money on the internet, like how I'm serious to make money on the internet, bro, I urge you to join my training on Sunday. That is 22nd of this month, and your life will change. At least you'll get something daily, and you can buy expensive laptop like this, 4,500. You can buy a lot of things. Yeah, so join me and let's vibe together. I'm out.
Major Dan, the major producer.